Hi, my name's Andrea and I'm here at Prairie Gardens Jeffrey Allen's, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about something that's very near and dear to us, and that's our handmade memorials. One of the most special things about our memorial collection is each and every design is handmade here right by us. We've been hand making these designs for over 50 years, and by hand making our memorials, we're able to put a lot of detail into the craftsmanship. Every component is hand placed by us, secured and glued into place, and all of the bows here are hand tied ourselves in our design studio. Only the high quality components here are going to be chosen for these memorial designs. All of the silk flowers are high quality and UV and weather resistant. And all of the containers for these materials are going to be rust free as well. So your handmade design will stand up to all of the high winds and of course the Midwest elements that we have here, especially this season. This large selection is another thing that makes our collection so special. You won't find this many quality designs anywhere else in Central Illinois, and we have so many to choose from. We have weighted arrangements, that's these here, of course with our hand-tied bows. We also have some hoop styles, and then down here we have some saddle styles also. These are a bit larger, and again, you can see they're gonna be taped and then glued and secured in place. We have some cross styles as well. Those also have our hand-tied bows on them. And then we have these spikes here, and these are really great if you're wanting to get multiple designs for multiple different loved ones. And these have some nice glitter in the center as well. So when we're thinking about the different actual components in these memorials, you can see they've all got a bit of greenery. We have some really lovely red poinsettias, of course with our hand-tied bows. We've got berries and roses. There are even some that has some nice frosting or flocking on them. Over here we have some carnations, and then also more varieties of the poinsettias, of course. We have a memorial collection for every single season, no matter if it is spring, fall, summer, or winter. You will find unique designs handmade by us. Every season, we love seeing families passing on, celebrating a loved one with a memorial from Prairie Gardens Jeffrey Allen's. And from generation to generation, it's really so special for us to be able to join your family with this tradition and for offering these unique and handmade designs. We really hope that you'll get an opportunity to come out and see all of the designs that we have. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call. Merry Christmas from Prairie Gardens Jeffrey Allen's.